Gotta catch 'em all, attrapez-les tous, Pokémon. Bonjour tout le monde, hi everybody, it's Mr. Steve here, or should I say Ash, with another Pokemon video. But wait, Mr. Steve, you're speaking in English. That's because I'm doing something a little bit different this time. I'll be reading not one, but two Pokemon stories. The first one will be in English, and the second one will be in French. So please stick around for both if you're able, and you might learn something if you don't know French, because I will do a bit of work to help you understand the story. First up, we have Battle for the Bolt Badge. After that, I'll be reading Le Combat Pokémon. Let's get started. But before we do, please, if you're watching, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click on the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my updates or videos. All right, here we go. Battle for the Bolt Badge. And thank you so much to Scholastic for giving me permission to read these stories. Ash, Pikachu, and their friends Iris and Selene were visiting Nimbasa City. Let's see Alessa Zebstrika. She uses electric-type moves. Ash was busy planning his battle strategy against the Nimbasa City gym leader Alessa. He was determined to win his next Unova gym badge. All right, it's time! The only way to get inside the Nimbasa City gym was by riding a roller coaster. Wow, that's crazy, it's awesome. Ah, Pikachu, whee! Ash's trusty yellow Pokemon was sitting this one out. Come here, Pikachu. Ash, I've been waiting. Prepare to watch me glow. Awesome, thanks for accepting my challenge, Alessa. The 3-on-3 battle was about to begin. Alessa Zebstrika burst out of its Pokeball. Feel the spark and feel the tingle. Watch me mix and mingle. Zebstrika, the Thunderbolt Pokemon. Zebstrika, I choose you, Palpitoad. Ash's Pokemon was ready to battle. Palpitoad, Palpitoad, the Vibration Pokemon. Ash decided to make the first move. Palpitoad used Mud Shot. Palpitoad fired off a round of brown dirt balls. Pow, 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 pow. But speedy Zebstrika dodged the move. Now Flame Charge. Zebstrika raced across the battlefield, but its fiery attack had no effect on a water and ground type like Palpitoad. Alessa had another trick up her sleeve. Zebstrika Double Kick. Flame Charge had powered up Zebstrika. Now it had super speed. The attack hit. Palpitoad was dazed. Pow! Now, for the final act. Use Quick Attack. Zebstrika shone like the sun as it sped at Palpitoad. Palpitoad! Zebstrika was fast, but Palpitoad stayed strong. All right! Now, Palpitoad was ready to make its move. Supersonic! Then Ash had an idea for a winning combination, Mud Shot and Hydro Pump. Palpitoad! Way to go, Palpitoad! Splash! With that, Ash and Palpitoad won their first round. A brilliant comeback. Awesome, Palpitoad did it! But the match wasn't over yet. Alessa brought out her second Pokemon. All right, Emolga, the bright light's on you. Emolga, the Sky Squirrel Pokemon. Emo! Emolga zoomed in with acrobatics. Emolga, Palp? Palpitoad tried to squeak out Supersonic, but it was tired. Pow! Emolga used one of its trickiest moves, Attract. Wink. Uh-oh, Palpitoad fell under Emolga's spell. Oh, it's so funny, look, he's got hearts for eyes. Emolga, Aerial Ace. Whoosh! That did it for Palpitoad. Emolga won the round. Palpitoad. Ash didn't know what to do next, and he had to put his second Pokemon into play fast. I choose you, Snivy. Snivy, the grass snake Pokemon. Snivy. Snivy was tough, but it wasn't the best choice for this battle. Huh? They're all confused. Me too. Snivy tried Vine Whip. Snivy tried Leaf Blade. Emo? Snivy. Snivy tried Leaf Storm. Swoosh! Did it work? But Emolga simply flew away, dodging all of Snivy's attacks. Emolga! Snivy, no! Watching the battle got Pikachu all fired up. It wanted to jump in and help out. Pika! Maybe Pikachu's gonna come to the rescue. Who knows? Let's find out. Now for a dazzling finish. Aerial Ace! Emolga seemed to be coming from everywhere at once. Swoosh! Snivy was too tired to keep battling. Ash had lost the second round. Snivy, you okay? You deserve a good rest. The fans seemed to think the battle was as good as over. Go, Alessa! Hooray, yay! But Ash still had one more chance. It was time to pick his third and final Pokemon. What am I gonna do? There's this type, and there's that type. So now what? I wonder what he's gonna do. For Pikachu, the choice was clear. I thought I needed to think up some sort of awesome plan by myself, but I forgot something. I can't battle without my Pokemon. Pika Pika! I'm useless by myself, Pikachu. I need your help, buddy. Let's battle. What do you say? Pika! A battle between two electric types is a show of spirit and strength. Let's give them a charge. Pikachu began with a blast of Electro Ball. Pikachu! But Emolga countered with the same move. Oh, they both used the same move. Ash was thinking fast, and Pikachu acted even faster. Yeah, use Quick Attack! Emo! Pikachu won the round against Emolga. What? Emolga! Alessa had to choose her third and final Pokemon. Tynamo, the Elefish Pokemon. It's my Tynamo, the bright light is on you. Tynamo! Pika! I'd better be sharp. Ash looked up the little electric type in his Pokedex, so he looks him up in the Pokedex. But before Ash had time to read up, Tynamo used Tackle! Tynamo was already on its way. Pow! Uh-oh! Bam! Thwap! Tynamo's tackles pinned Pikachu to the ground. I know you can keep battling, Pikachu, please! Pikachu worked with all its might to break free. Pikachu! Soon, the little yellow Pokemon was back on top and ready to battle. Pikachu was just in time for Ash's latest plan. Pikachu, Thunderbolt! And I want tons. Pikachu charged up, Pika! And fired off bright bolts of lightning. Zap, zap, zap. Choo, choo, choo! Cool. None of the Thunderbolts were aimed at Tynamo. Ash has a completely different plan up his sleeve. He knows electric-type moves aren't effective on Tynamo, but everything seemed to be going according to Ash's plan. Awesome! Keep up those Thunderbolts! Alessa decided it was time for her to make her move. What could they be up to? Look, he's making all this smoke. Tynamo zipped through the air, but the smoke from Pikachu's Thunderbolts hid Ash's electric type, allowing it to fire up its next move, Iron Tail! Tynamo! As Tynamo closed in, Pikachu sprang into action. Whack! Pikachu defeated Alessa's Tynamo. Pika Pika! Alright! Ash had won his battle with Alessa. Cool. Yay, yay, yay! Congratulations, Ash. Thanks. Thanks a lot, Pikachu. Pikachu! Ash, I present you with the Nimbasa City Gym's Bolt Badge. Hooray! It was time for Ash, Celan, and Iris to say goodbye to their new pal, Alessa. The two of you make a brilliant team. Wow, I finally got my fourth badge. That's great, Ash. Come on, Pikachu. And with that, our heroes were on the road to their next adventure. I hope you really enjoyed that one. I know I did. Up next, we have our French story. If you don't speak French, totally cool. You might learn something, so please stick around. Alors maintenant, je vais vous lire l'histoire de Pokémon en français, le combat Pokémon. C'est l'heure du combat, crie Sacha. Le premier qui se battra est Gruy-Cuit. Il affrontera Flammajou. Flammajou essaie d'attaquer Gruy-Cuit, mais Gruy-Cuit lui attrape la queue et le fait virevolter dans les airs. Il attrape la queue, le tail. Gruy-Cuit remporte le combat. Sacha sourit, smiles. Excellente attaque, dit-il. Excellent attaque. Le Pokémon suivant est Pikachu. Il affrontera Flottajou. Flottajou frappe Pikachu qui s'envole dans les airs. Pikachu a perdu. He lost. Flottajou remporte le combat. Tu as fait ce que tu as pu, dit Sacha à Pikachu. You did what you could. Le combat est à égalité. Moustillon est le dernier à se battre. Il essaie de vaincre Feuillajou. Feuillajou lance une attaque sur Moustillon. Moustillon essaie de riposter. Mais il ne réussit pas, he doesn't succeed, à éteindre Feuillajou. Moustillon, dit-il. Des graines, seeds, volent vers Moustillon. Essaye de te relever, lui dit Sacha. Nous sommes avec toi, we're with you. Moustillon ne veut pas abandonner, doesn't want to give up. Il va tenter le tout pour le tout. Moustillon lance une puissante attaque. Flottajou essaie de se cacher. Mais l'attaque atteint Flottajou. Il tombe. Moustillon et Sacha remportent le badge. Ils gagnent. Yeah! Alors, ça c'est tout aujourd'hui pour mes histoires de Pokémon. Si vous avez aimé cette histoire, s'il vous plaît, donnez-la un grand pouce en haut, cliquez sur le bouton de subscribe et allez regarder mes autres vidéos. Au revoir mes amis, à la prochaine. See you next time!